Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday market webcast. Okay, so we'll start off here in the daily chart, and you just got this consolidation area, the low point of which is 42.60. We'll talk about this in the hourly chart in a minute, but you got a consistent ability to sell rallies in the area of the 9-day, in the area of the monthly pivot, and this week in the area of the weekly pivot. And as long as that stays true, if you break 42.60, you have the potential to reach. You have the potential to reach. The other thing I would tell you is we are on a lower band ride. We're on a lower band ride. 2, 3, 4 days of engagement with a lower Bollinger Band. Lower Bollinger Band today comes in around 42.64. With band expansion, as price approaches the band, they're going to have to take out the 42.60 area if they're going to keep this lower band ride going. So lower band ride, it's very typical of you get a rally, it's a nice rally, you sell a rally. We spent most of the day long yesterday. We had a nice one, 43, 12, 25 area. We were able to get people in. And then the one we're in now is a short 52. That we put out. That setup grid went out about 320, 323 yesterday. It was a short against 52. Worst entry was 49.5. Everybody was able to get in, 50 or 51 area. The profit plan at that point was to grab 10 on the first third and to let it work. Most people grabbed 20 for a middle, and we still have runners. Some people took them off. Right now, where the room is at is we've rolled it down to plus 50. It's been as much as plus 70 from the highs, but it's all a byproduct of the lower band ride and a byproduct of the rally sells. So look, we remain sell rallies. Weekly pivot, 9-day. Monthly pivot's resistance for now. It was Sunday night. It was yesterday. And look, we didn't fade up there at 60. We're short 52, 51 area. We're not short 60 or 59 or 58 because we're not sitting there throwing darts at highs. You know how you catch that one? You throw darts at highs all the way up because it came in shallow versus the weekly pivot. Did 59.75. First it did like 3 looks at 56.75. Then it comes up to does 59.75. You get a little lower high, gets back into the area of the 100-day, and then, it accelerated overnight, which was fine. But if you're throwing darts at highs all the way up, I tell you guys, bear market rallies, you can be long, you can stand aside. You can't be short because you're going to be short here and here and here and here and here. And by the time you throw in the towel and start to reevaluate your life, it comes in. So don't do that. Be long. Wait for it. Take your profits. Hang out. We had a no trade zone up here for a while. A couple of them. Because it was just chop. Breaks down, then we'll sell it. All good. So below 42.60, and that's back here, that opens up another leg down. Okay? But this is sell rallies action. Every bit of it. Every bit of it is sell rallies. All right. Where's some other stuff coming in this morning? Volume weighted average price, 43.01. That hourly mid's at 43.20. We've got our proprietary moving average, 84.5. 5 minutes about 82.25. So let's see how we open. I would suspect we're going to retest the roundy and retest VWAP around 43.01 at some point. How that reacts is going to be important. What do the bears really want? Well, the bears just want to keep taking the elevator down. Take out 42.60. I get that. Wile E. Coyote off a cliff, and it's just one big dumpster fire every day forever. It doesn't work that way. They're going to continue because the shorts continue to be pretty weak, and they continue to kind of want to take profits. This is actually the most they've really held in. We'll see. It kind of looks like this. So I'm expecting something like this. So we've done this, but it needs to be held in. So daily pivot held it in most of last night. If it rallies from here, it needs to get held in again. But ideally, to keep the band ride going, you got to get below 42.60. And not by a couple of ticks, you're going to have to take it out. So what do the bulls want to do? If you can close above daily pivot and close above the hourly midband, it's a start. It's a start, and that's good enough. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe. Be healthy. Take care. Check out the Facebook group. We're going to be doing a live training next week at a subject on a subject that I have to take a look. We asked the members there to send messages about what they wanted me to cover in the next live training. So I want to go through those today, and we'll pick out a couple of good ones, and we'll do that. That'll be next week, so join that. And come and join the room. Come join the room. If you trade this stuff and you're out there, you will do better if you're in here. Bottom line. All right, take care. I'll talk to everybody soon.